Once the solder has melted, gently nudge the IC to ensure it's properly positioned. Use a soldering iron or hot air gun to solder the pins. Ensure solid, even joints free from cold solder, bridging, or insufficient solder. Power on the module to confirm it operates correctly. Check whether LEDs light up and if signal response is normal. Carefully inspect the repaired area for any misalignment, lifted pins, excess solder, or foreign materials. If the surface appears dirty, gently clean with isopropyl alcohol to maintain a clean, stable finish. Pad successfully repaired. Module lights up as expected. If you have any issues with LED module repair or are facing spare parts shortages, feel free to contact us.